In this session, let us understand the concept of virtual ground in case of an operational amplifier. An ideal operational amplifier has infinite input impedance and infinite voltage gain. This we learned while studying the characteristics of operational amplifier. This implies no current flows into the inverting input because input impedance is infinite and the differential input voltage is zero. As the op amp, ideal op amp is perfectly balanced, the voltage at the two input terminals V1 is always equal to V2. So these two are the very important rules that leads to the concept of virtual ground, which we are going to understand now. The two rules are: no current flows to the inverting input terminal because of the property of ideal op amp is it has infinite input impedance and infinite voltage gain. The second important rule is the differential input voltage is zero as V1 is always equal to V2. This follows from the property of op amp, that is op amp has a perfect balance. Now with these two rules, let us understand the concept of virtual ground in case of an operational amplifier. Here we have an operational amplifier circuit connected with the feedback resistance RF, input resistance RI, and the signal is given to the inverting input. Here VIN is the signal which is given to the inverting input and non-inverting input is grounded. The output is collected at this output terminal. Now, when the signal passes, as the current through the input impedance is zero, since the input terminals are at infinite impedance, no current passes through the terminals inputting. This is, if we take it as I1, this is equal to 0. I2, current entering the non-inverting input is also equal to 0. There will be no, as a result of this zero current, the voltage difference between these two is equal to 0 volts. The inverting terminal and the non-inverting terminal have the same voltage. V1 is equal to V2. This implies the potential difference V1 minus V2 is equal to 0. This means that the voltage at the inverting input, that is the negative input, is 0. That is the point A. The voltage at this point A is equal to 0. The voltage at this point is equal to 0. That is because the other input is grounded. This 0 volt at the inverting terminal, that is the point A, is referred to as virtual ground. This point is referred to as virtual ground. A point A is said to be at virtual ground because it is at 0 volts, but it is not physically connected to the ground. Why it is called as virtual ground means that point acts as if it is connected to ground but not physically connected to the ground. Therefore, we call it as the virtual ground. Thus, we can define the term virtual ground as it is a node or a junction that has 0 voltage with respect to ground but not mechanically or physically grounded. Such a node in the op amp circuit is called as virtual ground. Remember that node A in the op amp circuit is grounded with respect to voltage but not for current. So there will be a flow of current through this path, not through the op amp. So it is virtually grounded for voltages only, but not for the current. This is very important point in understanding the different functions of operational amplifier.